Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about an important way to protect your privacy while browsing on mobile devices. Blocking cookies in your browser can prevent websites from tracking your activity and help you. First, open the Carbon browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration page. After that, find and tap on Privacy and Security to access your browsing data options. Next, look for the third-party cookies option and click on it. Then, turn on the option to block all third-party cookies. This will prevent external websites from storing cookies on your device and improve your privacy. By following these steps, you can ensure that third-party trackers are blocked and your online activity remains more secure. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful mobile browsing tips.